Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. While starting modeling this component, I will start with the material addition feature first, then I will do the material removal feature. First I will create this circle with a diameter of 70, then extrude up to the length of 80. Then I will create a rectangle with a length of 75 and width of 25 and extrude up to the length of 80. Then after finishing this one, then I will go with this feature. Here it has a circle with a radius of 15 and connect the lines and extrude up to the length of 34. Then we'll go for the rib with a thickness of 10. Then we need to mirror it to this side also. Then go for the material removal feature. First create the hole here, then create the slot cut here. Then finally create the hole of 10 mm diameter here and create 4 holes with 8 mm diameter here. After creating model in Creo Parametric, the component will look like this. Now we'll see how to model this component step by step in Creo Parametric. Go to Close, New, Part, Solid. Provide a name, untick this use default template, save OK. Our units are in mm, choose the mm template, mm part solid absolute, save OK. For easy explanation, I am keeping the figure left side and software in the right side. First I am switching on the planes. This is I am going to start with the front plane, sketch, sketch view. Circle. It has a diameter of, here they have specified as 70. Fit screen, save OK. Now extrude it, symmetric with a length of 80. Just save OK. Then we'll create a rectangle, same plane we just take it, sketch, sketch view. Now put a center line here, take the center rectangle. Now the rectangle length is 75 and height is 25. Now just say OK, extrude, make it symmetric and total length is 80. Just say OK. Now we will create the round here. Just take the edge, round, select this edge and press the Ctrl and Hold, select these edges. The round radius is 5, just say OK. Then we'll go for this feature, select this midplane, sketch, sketch view, take the reference of the circle, this circle, close, then take the circle with a radius of 15, go to the dimension, it has a radius of 15 and the center height from here to this center circle is 75. Now take a line, just connect it somewhere here and connect it to the tangent point. Similarly connect it somewhere here, connect it to the tangent point. Now here it is connected as a tangent. Similarly here also we make it as a tangent. Make it tangent connection. Here also make it tangent connection. Now just put a line also here. But take the arc with the center ends. This point and this point. Now remove the unwanted edges by using a delete segments. Here and here. Now the sketch is OK. Now just say OK. Extrude. Make it symmetric. The extrusion length is 34. Just say OK. Now we have finished this sketch. Now we'll create this rib. Select this midplane. Sketch. Sketch view. Here you can see the center axis is not available. To create the center axis, go to this sketch. Edit, provide one point, data point. This data point will create the axis. Now see, the axis is created now. Now select this midplane, sketch, sketch view. Take the reference of this axis, this line and this line. Then close it. Take a line, take a point here and here. Now here from the center axis to this edge, the distance is 16 and this is completely and thickness is 10. Dimension from here to here, this is 16. Just say OK. Select this rib, profile rib, change the direction. Thickness is 10. Just press the roller to confirm. Now we'll mirror this rib, select this profile rib, mirror, select this midplane and press the roller to confirm. Now we just want to create this cut. For that, select this midplane, sketch, sketch view, go to reference, this edge, these two edges, then close it. Take a rectangle, take the corner rectangles, this point and this point. First make it symmetric, select this one, this point and this pointer and select this axis. Now it is symmetric. From this point to this edge, it is 25, they have been swing it. Dimension from this axis to this, it is 25. Then this dimension is 24. Say OK. Go to extrude. Here go to options. Here to next and this side also to next. Click this material removal. Say no. Now this cut is we have done. Then we'll create a holes. Just take the hole, place it on the circle and press the control and select this axis. Now the diameter of the hole is 2 holes, so the diameter of 10. Diameter is 10. Make it through wall. Just press the roller to confirm. Similarly here, take the hole, place it on the surface, press the control and select this axis. Now the diameter of the hole is 50 and here we just make it 2 next. Say OK. Then we'll create a hole here. Select the surface, sketch, sketch view. Take the circle, put the circle here. The distance from here to here is 15 and the diameter of the hole is 8. Go to dimension. From here to here, it is 15 and the diameter is 8. Just say OK. Extrude. Change the direction. Make it to through wall. Press the roller to confirm. Same as to be mirrored here. Make sure you have selected extrude 5. Mirror. Select this plane. Press the roller to confirm. Now the complete object is done. Go to standard view. Shading with edges. Hide all the planes. Now the complete model is done. Now we'll go for the to change the color. Just go to the view, appearance, provide some color, choose here part and apply to this part. Just say OK. For next appearance, white. Here you just select the intent surface, press the control, select this surface, select this surface, select this surface and this surface. Save OK. Now the appearance also we have changed. In this tutorial we will learn how to model this component. In next tutorial we will see how to model with a new component. If you like this video, please share to your friends and thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.